How to tag someone on Instagram story without showing it. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, simply launch the Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on the plus icon over here at the bottom to add a story. And as you tap on the story, just click a picture, random picture over here, or you can upload any picture. And if you want to tag someone, simply what you need to do is tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen, and here you can see the option of mention. So just tap on mention and you can mention any of the person over here. Now keep the name as small as possible. You can make the edits as you would want, and as you do that, you can just keep it here and then tap on the sticker icon again, and you can here use any of these stickers over here. So I'm going to use this sticker and I'm going to increase its size, and there you go. Now you can just tap on your story and here you'll be able to tag someone on Instagram story, but it will not be shown. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.